Yeah, E85 is pretty sweet. Alright guys, we're back from the gas station. I got two sets of gasoline here. Right over here, this is Costco Premium 93 Octane that has up to 10% ethanol content. And over here, Marathon gas station that carries a E85 mixture right over here. Some of my buddies recommended this gas station, so we got some sweet E85, and we're going to be testing the ethanol content using this tester right here. This is one of many that you can buy online, and it has a scale right over here. It's going to tell you the content of E85. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check the content of the Costco 93 Octane Premium and see how much actual ethanol content is in there. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the E85, and that way we're gonna know for sure the ethanol content that these two companies carry in their gasoline, and we can calculate the ethanol content in the car a little bit better, so then we can tune for it more appropriately using the proper air fuel mixing ratios. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, fill this up with water to the water line, and this actually comes sealed, which is, I don't know why. That looks solid, and let's mix up the E85. Want to get that top. All right, so now we're gonna close that off. Close the cap. Let's mix it up. There you go. All right, let that settle down, and let's see what comes up. All right, it's been a few minutes and it's pretty much settled. You can see how it separates, and the top line is E80, and we are just under this, which is about E77. And my buddy who's running a turbo BMW has a flex fuel sensor in there, and he tells me it runs E77 at that gas station, so this pretty much confirms it. Let's dump this right now and put in the Costco gasoline, and hopefully it's at least, you know, a E5 blend. Oh. All right, we got the gasoline here and the water. Let's mix it up right now. And that's separated quite quick, and you could tell it's probably like an E10 mixture with the 93 octane from Costco. All right, and for the final test, we're gonna take our E85 mixture and we're just gonna pour the gasoline directly with the E85. We can do a 50-50 blend, and I'm just really curious to see if the E85 and the 93 octane premium mixes flawlessly without any hiccups, or is one going to be on top of the other, because that's going to play a role. If it's in the gas tank and it's not mixing properly, then depending on what fuel it's picking up from what level, it might affect your fuel ratios again. So this one's just for shits and giggles, but we're going to test it out and see how it looks. All right, let's mix it up. So far, it looks like it's blending in.
That's with.
So far, so good. It looks like it's blending without any divergence between the gasoline. So that's exactly what we want to see. All right, guys. Well, that concludes the short little test. Marathon E85. Right now, it's June. E77 ethanol content. Costco, June, 93 octane premium, just about a E8 blend. So altogether, that's what we are running. I'm gonna have to adjust my air fuel ratios according to that blend. Gasoline and E85 mixes flawlessly, no separation whatsoever. So we are good on that end. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something right there. If you haven't, Google it. So pretty much I tested a few gas stations, and the recent one I came up with, it's actually like E85, right on the money. So at the pump, you're getting your money's worth with this gas. You can see the separation right there.
I ain't here for the money.